Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So first of all we have to begin with removing cache. So let's open the settings. Right here in this general list, let's scroll and find the apps and tap on App Management. So here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device, and all I recommend is to simply enter preferably all of them. So let me choose maybe internet, just tap on the specific app and then go to storage usage. Let's tap. And unfortunately it is not the best example because I cannot remove cache here. So maybe my files, just tap on the storage usage. Maybe here. Alright, let's go to storage usage, and fortunately here we've got some cache. So all you have to do is to tap on clear cache and your device will immediately remove cache, at least it should. We've got it removed. Basically, cache are junk files which occupy a lot of memory. So as I said, I highly recommend to go through all of the apps and to remove the cache. I highly recommend to avoid tapping on clear data unless you want to remove actually everything, like totally everything. So be aware about that. Another option which you can try to do is to optimize your device. Simply go to Phone Manager. This is the pre-installed app, so for sure you've got one. Just go there. Of course, give all the permissions if you're opening it for the very first time, and you can try to tap on Optimize, and your device will automatically try to perform some cleanup, privacy, manage security protection, and general options. Okay, so just tap on Done, and if you wish, you can simply go to Cleanup Storage and remove some further details. For example, in the photos, videos, applications, etc. And to finish everything, I highly recommend to restart your device because this operation will, let's say, confirm all of the changes. So all you have to do is to press the power button and volume up button together, like that, and then just drag this ball into this restart option at the top and release the finger. Your device will be restarted and hopefully it will work faster. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.